Use affiliate marketing to the fullest with these ideas. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to increase the revenue of your website, as long as you do it right. Working with affiliate marketers can sometimes be trying, as you may not have the information you need, in order to know who to work with. This video will provide you with numerous tips to get you started in the affiliate business. To know what works and what does not, keep track of the emails that you sent. Use a professional email program to see who opened your email and who clicked on the link. You might need to work on the title or presentation of your emails to generate more interest. To get better results from your affiliate links, use only contextual links. Pages containing contextual links are more likely to garner results from search engines. Visitors are also more likely to click links if the text around them relates to the product. Promoting a product in the text around a link can significantly encourage purchases. In affiliate marketing, multiple referrals benefit both website owners and affiliate partners. Make sure your affiliates give you proper credit for them. A multiple referral is when a customer returns to buy from your affiliate more than once. As the initial referrer who delivered the customer to your affiliate, you are entitled to commissions on all of his or her sales. Make sure your affiliates track and credit multiple referrals correctly. It is important to always disclose your affiliates right from the start. This will give your readers a sense of who you are and what you are about. They will also not feel surprised or manipulated when they see the advertisements from those campaigns, and you may end up bringing more business to those companies. If you want your affiliate marketing efforts to pay off at the highest amount, you should be seen as providing helpful information. Most people recognize ads and do not want to visit a page that is nothing but advertising. But if you put out regular information about a subject they are interested in, they are more likely to click through the ads. As was stated at the beginning of the video, affiliate marketing can be hugely beneficial to your website, as long as you are aware of the correct methods to use. Following the advice given in this video can make you a more informed affiliate and allow you gain the most revenue from this method. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.